Hi, this is a nature video. And a guy over there shooting a gun.
My shoe.
What? You lost your shoe? Oh, wow. Oh, and here's a swing that no one wants to ride. And he falls. And there's Hayden, there's the guy, we're going towards him. Oh, here's a bunch of chickens, by the way. Anyways, hi, chicken.
Filming a nature video?
Say hi. Wave to them. Say hi. This guy's following me. Run! Oh, there's a barn and a trampoline. Oh, that guy fell over. And chicken. It's a random. I totally don't know who lives there. And then me. We're gonna ride on this thing that no one likes. Wow, so much fun. 360. 360. Ooh. $360. There's a guy over there. Anyways, I don't know who that is. I don't know who this is. Let's see who this is. Pop your head. Hey, what's up? What? It doesn't have a lady. I'm back. Anyways, some drenched little marshmallows. Ah! The chickens are coming out. Who are those? Are those your chickens?
Yeah.
The ones that are out? Those are little marshmallows he's holding. Can you spin it so I can do 360? Spin it. Not too much, just enough to be 360 with his Hayden's butt. Are you okay? He is so kicking. Are you okay?